and go back. Get all the way there and back to there. Yeah,
Right
like
here at
okay.
Majayjay.
It's already good. It's already recording, no? Recording?
Yeah, recording.
And you know, this is what happened. We thought about, we're here right now at Majayjay. Where's this located at? Laguna. And you can see the nature. And I'm gonna show you what's the real nature all about.
Wow, look at the trees,
Look at
man.
the trees, man.
Look at the tent.
And the people here are very nice and they're surrounded by nature. And now we're going to show you the real beauty. The real beauty inside us and inside this nature jungle. And now you can see here Jowo. Here Jowo dancing.
Yeah, about to.
And you can see this guy right here. Playboy. No, I'm just joking, dude. And now we're going to show you the real thing. We're walking right now. And this is Ellie. Ellie at GMA. Hey, what's up, Ellie? You're getting cold? As of now, it's already like 5 AM or almost 6 o'clock. And we're about to show you the real beauty. The real beauty of this place, man. Damn, dude, this is really beautiful place, though. The jungle and stuff like that. And here's the beauty, man. Damn, dude. This is what we call beauty. Come on, bro. What's up, dog? Here.
Go there.
Go there now. Go there. Go to nature.
Yeah.
Hey, look. Let's go. It's the real beauty of the nature.
Wow, look at that, dude.
Damn, dude. I love this place, man. A fucking 5-hour trip. Damn, dude. My ass fucking hurts.
But it's worth it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, look at that snake, cobra. Waiting for you. Damn, dude.
Let's go there. What?
I love this place, dog. I love
Yeah. Okay, cut. 1, 2, 3.